What's up guys, Faisal here. So the Galaxy product line may be recognized by Samsung in 2024. Several foldable devices will be released by Samsung. According to the latest news, the Galaxy S24 has been abandoned and a new mid-range line has been launched. An insider revealed Samsung plans for 2024 on Twitter, as they are pretty forward-looking. Earlier, it was rumored that Apple would recognize the iPhone product line, abandon the standard variant model, and invest resources in more advanced products. Samsung, which is also the world's leading brand, seems to have the same views. Recently, there is news that a factory may recognize the Galaxy product line in 2024, shifting the focus from high-end models to folding screen devices and reducing mid-production to entry-level phones, according to the rumors. On his Twitter account, it is difficult to follow the previous pricing method as the hardware development makes the mobile phone market position. In the coming year, Samsung may recognize the Galaxy smart device product line. Moreover, it will greatly reduce the current position in the mid to entry market. Galaxy and other devices shift the focus to flagship phones with greater profit margins and price flexibility. Interestingly, there are rumors of Apple's possible recognition of the iPhone product line that has followed out earlier, which may vaguely reveal a corner of the future mobile phone product trend. The news listed some of the Galaxy product changes from sources. Among them, the folding screen mobile phone will add a higher end positioning. 4K screen Galaxy Z Fold Ultra, 2K screen Galaxy Z Flip Ultra with a Samsung panel in addition to the exciting Galaxy Z Fold and Galaxy Z Flip smartphones. The standard version may switch to be produce a folding screen. In addition, the factory may add the Galaxy Z Flash with a 3-in-1 folding design and the high-end tablet flagship Galaxy Z Tab line. The news also mentioned that the factory may remove the Galaxy S24 Intermediate Series S24 Plus in the coming year, and it seems that only the fine-screen Samsung Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Ultra with a built-in S Pen will remain. In addition, the insider said that the company will abandon the flagship Galaxy S24 Plus and introduce a new series of mid-range smartphones. The Galaxy K, by the way, based on model numbers that were indeed spotted in the Bluetooth 6 database at the beginning of the year, but these could be based off as Galaxy S23. It is expected that the new Galaxy S24 line will officially launch in early 2024 with an even more improved camera system. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. Until the next video, take care of yourself. Bye bye.